How to change Facebook notification sound. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your settings and then navigate to the apps section. Then search for Facebook. And here you want to click on notifications. And in this page right here, you will find all of the notifications that you will get from Facebook. So in order for you to change the sound of one of these notifications, you simply need to click on it. Say, for example, I want to change the notification sound of birthdays. Once this page opens, click on sound. And here you will find a large list of sounds that you can choose from. Once you find the sound that you want to use, say for example this one, just click on it and the notification sound of this specific feature will be changed to that sound that you choose, and you can do the same with the rest. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change the Facebook notification sound. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.